Hi, welcome to the course on React.js. This is Vivin Arana, and today we're going to look at what is React.js. According to the website, React.js is nothing but a JavaScript library that helps you build user interfaces. It was created by Facebook, and initially they used it for their own website and eventually open sourced in 2013. React.js, as the JavaScript library which is used to build user interfaces, also has another aspect to it which is React Native. That is another tool that is also available. And let's look at React.js. So the first thing that I want to show is as soon as you Google for React.js, you'll probably see what is React.js. As the header itself says, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. You can look at more information about it here, where it says who's the original author, who was the developer, as I mentioned, Facebook, initial release, the license that it comes with. You can go into the website, and the website will give you all the documentation that you need. You can get started with the website right here. You can also take the tutorial to understand how React.js works from the scratch and how you can build your websites with all the documentation available here. You can follow the blog with updates of what's happening with React.js, or if there's something new or anything happening, you can probably follow it on the blog here. They have a very good community where you get all the support that you want, including a Stack Overflow or another discussion forums, news. You can also look at one of my favorite thing, conferences. You can see all the upcoming conferences that are available for you to attend. This year, since most of the things are remote, they also have the React Summit in a remote edition. Also, if you know something that is coming out in your neighborhood or where you are, you can actually inform them about it. You can look at videos, the podcasts, the articles, everything is available here, including examples and courses. Next thing I mentioned about is React Native, which is building templates or building apps, mobile apps for your organization or for yourself. It's pretty easy if you understand JavaScript how to build native applications using React Native, and they have talks about it and bunch of information about who's using it and the community information about it. As I mentioned, the documentation, the components that are available, APIs that are available, community, and blog. Also, if you want to look at some existing projects which people have shared and open sourced, you can go to GitHub and look at some of the projects that are available over there. I just searched for React.js projects, and you'll see React.js shows up here. I've selected JavaScript, and it will show you all the JavaScript projects that are available since React.js or React Native is in JavaScript. Again, there is tags in Stack Overflow which you can look at. If be it React.js, if you have questions or if you like to kind of go ahead before you learn of what all different things that people look at, you can look at these tags and look at all the questions that people have asked. React Native, React Redux, Router, and bunch of other options that are available here. You can click on one of them and you'll see all the different questions that are available. Sometimes it's much more easier to learn from real experience of what people are facing or the problems that you see people are facing and learn from it. So that's what React.js is. It's nothing but a simple JavaScript library which helps you build great user interfaces.